Okay, how to update chemicals in Amos. First, you go to switch department, you go to consumables, and then okay. Then wait here, that must be right. Consumables here. Must be consumables. And then you go to stock. Stock items, and then you click here, stock class, here, go to chemicals, click chemicals here, and then okay. And then okay again. Okay. Then now maximize, and now you have the chemicals, everything. Then for example, you want to update let's say here. Okay, oxygen scavenger plus. Okay, we have the same auto trade, ultrasonic, we have the same. Auto trade, we have 175. 6 times 25. $150. Okay. We need to update auto trade. So auto trade last is 175. So to deduct 25, you must to right click this one, go to in out stock, and then you write here in the quantity here if how much you must to deduct. So we need to deduct 25, so you put 25 and then okay. And now this auto trade will be changed after all. So you must to save here, save. Okay. And then go on and go far. Just repeat all what you need to update.